Richard. I am Mr. Cigar Enthusiast. For today's cigar review, I'm going to talk about the Rocky Patel Flor de San Andreas, a box press Maduro. I had the cigar a few days ago, and I thought it was an excellent cigar. Very, very smooth. Had supple hints of leather, a lot of spice. A lot of spices to it. Had a very, very nice kick to the cigar. And I've always been very, very impressed with Rocky Patel and their cigars. As far back as I can remember, there hasn't been a Rocky Patel cigar that I've smoked that I've been disappointed in. Rocky Patel, their cigars have just time and time again have failed to disappoint. So, like I said, it's a very, very smooth cigar, and that was the first thing I noticed right off the bat, that how smooth this cigar was from the very first draw right till the point where I stopped smoking it. Smooth throughout. As I said, had very nice hints of leather, very, very bold spiciness to it. And if you're a fan of the Maduro wrapper like I am, then you're going to absolutely love this cigar. So I prepared a small clip of the cigar for you guys to take a look at, so have a look. Alright, so as you saw from the clip there, very, very nice dark chocolatey wrapper. As I said before, I'm a huge fan of Maduro wrappers. I always like the dark chocolatiness of Maduro wrappers. And not many cigar smokers know this, but just because a cigar has a Maduro wrapper doesn't necessarily mean that it's a full to medium bodied cigar in terms of flavor. I mean, you could have a Maduro wrapper, but you could have like a mild blend of filler tobacco inside. So, Maduro wrappers and how strong a cigar isn't sometimes isn't mutually exclusive. So, just remember that when you're picking up a Maduro cigar. Maduro cigars, by and large, they're for an aesthetic appeal, but a lot of people do think of Maduro cigars as automatically being stronger cigars, and that is not always the case. So if you browse your local B&M brick and mortar cigar shop, definitely pick up the Rocky Patel Flor de San Andreas box press Maduro, because it's, I highly recommend it. I give it a full 5 out of 5 stars, an absolute must smoke, and that, I pretty much give that for any Rocky Patel cigar that I've smoked thus far. So I'm a fan of Rocky Patel, and if you've never smoked Rocky Patel cigars, I guarantee you'll become a fan instantly. So, well, that's going to do it for this edition of Mr. Cigar Enthusiast. I hope everyone enjoyed this review. You can check out the official website of Mr. Cigar Enthusiast at MrCigarEnthusiast.com. You can check out our official YouTube channel, and we have over close to 900 subscribers and over 100,000 channel views. So I've been doing this channel for a very, very long time, so check out the official YouTube channel. You can follow us on Twitter at twitter.com/mcigare, or just at mcigare. Check out our official Facebook page. That's facebook.com/MrCigarEnthusiast. And I will be back very soon with another cigar review. So those of you who stopped by, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have an awesome day. Take it easy, guys.